Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another exciting, at least to me, daily work from home job lead for you. This is from the well-known financial app, Cash App. It requires no college degree, and they are just paying somebody to respond to emails. We are going to dive on in. Just know the link to this page, if you want to put that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just want to ask that if this job lead or any job leads that I share are helpful to you, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But Cash App is looking for a customer success advocate for their Cash App lending. So Cash App not only does where you can send money to people from your bank accounts and stuff, they have loan products and lending. And so they're looking for somebody to effectively solve customer lending inquiries through email communication. So a customer is going to send an email asking questions about the loan products or things like that, and you'll be responding to those emails. So it is basically just responding to emails. You're going to have to hold a high bar for support and own those customer interactions. You'll identify, document, and follow up with the support teams on any product bugs and features. And you'll advocate for customers by identifying any trends and issues and suggesting improvements to processes and policies. Now, best thing about this is that they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They kind of want somebody they prefer somebody who has 1 year professional experience in some kind of financial institution or financial field, but it is not required. They need somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment, experience in customer service, someone who has a coachable mindset, who can take feedback and implement it, somebody who has a great organization and time management skills, and of course a passion for Cash App and helping customers. Now, pay is always dependent on location, and they have their different U.S. locations broken down into Zone A, B, C, and D. There is a linked resource if you want to know what state you live in, what zone it falls in, but the lowest pay for this job is $23.47, and the highest pay is $31.30 an hour. Of course, it comes with a benefit package as well, including health coverage, paid time off, all the things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.